How to check battery health in laptop on Windows 11. Hey there, laptop users. Welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to show you a simple method to check your laptop's battery health on Windows 11. Let's dive right in. The first step is to open the command prompt. You can do this by clicking on the Start menu and type in CMD. Select Run as Administrator. Click on Yes to continue. Type in this code and press Enter. Power CFG, energy. This will take some time according to your computer speed, so you have to be patient. Again, type to search. Power CFG, battery report. Then the battery report will be saved under this location, so we have to find it. Click to close this. Open this PC. Open Drive C. Open Windows folder. Move down and then find Battery Report. Click to open. OK. Now here is your battery health. You can see my design capacity is 45,730. And the full charge capacity has decreased to 40,540. Which means that the health has decreased. So that's how we can check battery health in laptop on Windows 11. And there you have it. You've successfully checked your laptop's battery health on Windows 11. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Windows tips and tutorials. See you next time.